And with one guy, every time I chat, I'm actually by ESN, actually bonongo men, second kitchen river, or some bonongo men, actually then cabo, half undani, Hawa. You can't bubble that not with Henchory, Ekoala, Umazibu. Imana recently, other they come up just so be a massport on government and massport ESN and massport Nandekan and massport IPOB and massport ESN. Imago support Kanko on your nature, which is where we are against me. Man, again into of man, again into. I have said it before and I'm still saying it again. Until the government make a peace with the people, there will be no peace. Let me tell you my little experience somewhere. When we did the Igbo youth movement, a lot of the youths started coming to me. Most of them started coming to me like they will chat to you, see someone or chat like saying Acheba, Biafran Army, Biafran Liberation Army. I say Abiko, no contact Jabia, a man case Abana be a Biko Gahaga. Another mother chat saying actually but unknown men. A junior or woman at DSS can come for him for this or any actually. Sibiko Nakwana Moon, Kwabum Naja, the Abiko Porum Gahaga. You see someone or chat, I'm going different things. How do you? Even as I speak to you, when they knock at a way when I came on, what snatches is solutum, natural jack have for more security and everything, and watch Fanket. Hamarakas, which me one Hajame, when I let no one call my name. Manon, we can't check one will fight country Korogi. And with one guy, every time I chat, I'm actually by ESN, actually bonongo men, second kitchen river, or some bonongo men, actually cabo, half undani, Hawa. What's your give an amma taking on ungo men? Give plenty of man. Or smoke Niana with 4 friends, yeah, which means had 5. And see okay. And see okay, I'm not about Onicha. Cherem Nonicha, Kebayanofu. And a book appointments, na Mr. Beast. Nilu Mr. Beast, never yan. So, Oluda day, Monafa could say on Sunday. I want to remember for Monday, and Jose for Monafa Mechefu. On Monday, before Mbia, here's go had the mother 5. Here's go. I gathered them because I want to know if they are prompt mad. When we have in our form, CS nature region, I want to know what is giving them such morale. I want to know what ideology they have and I don't have. That's what is giving them mind. I want to know. When we got a mad 5, I was saying now because now more justice. They were like, hey, justice and all that. They were happy. I just the process. Keka is baton on government and all that. And you go to Fakiana, and cause Nyano Buga, and cause on the main market, and cause of Afeta Yakon, Lemagon. Very 5 vibrant young men, you see them. I look at them. Do you know that the Nigerian government can come for you? They buy Biafran and mobile ESN, mobile non government. DSS can come for you and they can track you and kill you. Or say yes, Nyama, and he's ready to die. Nah, I will you warm now. And see because of Biafra. Or say not even because of Biafra. Mokia Koromi. Mwagabenti of man. Kefundu ki wed in the mad lobby. Also now 2011 okay about 20 years then SAS garabe fa Olympia SAS can na wago jebe fa Olympia. His uncle went to SAS Ijeberu 1 year okay SAS jide konyo also up to today nwere ma ha dey do ha nwura ha mechezi meberi ampa ha be SAS the na block one jimpa onye had the show na ha bia SAS also na SAS warrior on Tuesday ha bia on Wednesday SAS property ha na ha kpacha but on Friday 1 year okay bia next Monday, each time the guy and he wants somebody an opportunity or do a borobo. When they are being how enemies they would like to retaliate him. And so now the reason you do yes, now we are ready to die. Only we ever concern knows goes. Chineke mekuda ma boso someone mad 5 and so enkozo gini me go and ogi juechi by osimo onyi si no nwelo no just na ya na emo mazi Igbo go too much na nwa chori men ka men cause say okay because of ya na emo mazi Igbo go too much ki juechi sacrifice ndege osimo onyi si ki akorom na fi henda ami meria na 2014 ya na gwa gina na eme this year 2026 osi na fi henda ami meria no bulu ye jo na akọ na nwoku ya mere ya na gafe n'ụzọ ọbụna ndami o nwere operation ha bịa ọbụna ya na sako that is it ndami naria phone ye tiche ihe buru eje barak buwe canopy ọ nọrọ ọsị ya nọ complete 1 month for ndebe ha amarele ya nọ na barak ebe belu ọ dịka skeleton wepụta so no na achọkwa na opportunity oju bụ gwala ndụ bụ if mentality ihe change the mindset of people gebe kwanti the third person saying that now ndami bịara befa na 2024 cause not 2025 amarom say na na true unknown government and all that but have su ibe for mo na enu egbo mmia up to that mo dey ekpekere o that is lady onye obuna gburu mmia nya the lady ebobolo obo obun madu na to if mentality e kpatara nda and ha na ese je bro friends you can imagine the kind of anger the name that the 51 be gwaram sim that na during time of Operation Python dance now uncle yaso wejebe meet na nke Nnamdi Kanu one year nwoke get oriya so joku the same meeting sim na hana abo ebunatara ha n'ozu for that reason yan wan we the lady to fight Nigeria no obo no suwede even when we hu na bona we ndị bai na aghọtaro maka ndị na-ekwu okwu onongomen genti onongomen agaghị ejiwu ike aka we stop onongomen. You can imagine those people, the lady join onongomen. Do you know what happened? We say okay, I'm going to do a contact. Contact I do a form I do by onongomen or by ESN or by Biafran Liberation Army. I'm not going to has let us form our own. What? Let us form our own. They are ready to Nigerians. Oh, police will buy me half from check Nigeria. I had ready the person. More for the anger in them. I started preaching to them. The first person can ever go never. Well, I am check everyone can ever 150 years, no problem. In the balance now, Igbo Jebo Sadobe, Geneke Yako. You hear Pataroju, they can understand the kind of brainwash in the mud, or brainwash anybody. You hear Pataroju, they can understand the brainwash in the mud. Already accumulated anger in them, and I try an opportunity. Who will lead the floor or in the mother chop? Who will lead the floor? Oboro that now, Ibe rich man, Jidego. And when your mother, what kind of prosperity you can never hear. You hear the video now from a Derek family, I'm a prosperity. I'm more than the prosperity. Get a key, we are not your water and whatever. Get me a son or your John Jibble. Therefore, when I that thing, only the Reno. And that's number something with the Henry, only the Reno, the video will listen to you. Oh, now, Kuwadi. Those people feel none the kind of brainwash, I brought brainwashing, called brainwash. Those people will go anger, will go pains in them, accumulated by governments, caused by the government. I'm youth so carry so many of you no Budo, no Europe, never no. Now one chant can listen to drum online. Now cost us one can dala party. I'm on Igbo land, I'm on southeast, I'm on southeast, I'm major from state to state. I'm for the anger in youth. If I no more personal, if I want, I can create an own government income. Do you know? Do you know if I want to commit a crime, I can also create my own group? Do you know? How possible is that? Because now when people already having such mindset, there are people already ready to die because of Yemen and Nigeria. Because of Yemen and Nigeria. Then you think that the best, easiest solution is to start killing them. I don't make you happen. Currently in Igbo land, I want any police can do. Hey, I want to what they call it, Tiger Base. A commandant than Tiger Base, bam, I just said to run bail. Bail are going to 500,000. A commandant supposed to be ordinary officer, caution yourself, stop this. Now, one crime in that community, just now, that we arrested as a suspect. Now, you didn't for that reason, no, 500,000 you bob after all said and done. And make sure 100,000 bob and down. For now, the family when they go, how to fear, no quick, according to them, now they wouldn't want a Tiger Base. Who judge there?